This segment is sponsored by Expo Home Improvement. Hey everybody, we are coming to you from Sun City today. Expo Home Improvement has a showroom just around the corner, 5 minutes away in Georgetown. And we are here today to give a really lovely example of the sort of work that Expo Home Improvement can do, because we're at a loyal customer's house. We're actually at Judy K's home. She is a customer with Expo Home Improvement. We're also standing today with Amanda McDaniel, who's the Vice President of Brand and Culture at Expo Home Improvement. And we've had her on the show before. Y'all, it's so nice to see both of you. Good morning.
Good morning, and thank you for being here, and welcome to my home, which has been made more beautiful by my new windows.
Love it.
Thank you. Good morning to you as well.
Lovely to see you both, and yes, this is a gorgeous home. I have to brag on it a little bit, Judy, but Amanda, we're actually going to come to you first.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Expo Home Improvement's windows specifically and what makes them a great fit for homes that are here in Texas.
Yeah, so what makes Expo Home Improvement obviously so great is, one, we're local. We are a local company. We love Texas and we understand Texas. So we have windows that were specifically built for the Texas environment. So we've done all the guesswork. You know, you don't have to go research all about windows. We are the window experts. We know what is right for Texas, and that's why Expo Home Improvement does a great job at window replacement.
Absolutely, and so much heat here for a good portion of the year.
Yes.
But the truth is we get some of those cold snaps as well, and
Yes.
this is the time for people to start preparing their homes for winter.
Yeah, absolutely. Now is the perfect time to start thinking about that winter that's coming around the corner. But that's why our windows are so awesome, is because they really are built for that extreme Texas heat, but they're also built for when we get those cold snaps, you know, that come and help keep that cold air out.
Wonderful to hear. Okay. Amanda, let's talk about what signs homeowners should be looking for. Maybe they don't have the newest home, but what should they be looking for specifically when it comes to windows to say, uh-oh, probably about time for a refresh and upgrade?
Yeah, there's three things you want to consider. So first thing is the age of your home. If your home is over 10 years old, that's your first indication, right? Also, your home might have been built with builder grade windows, which really are just kind of there to save cost on your home, kind of get you in the home, but they're not good for the lifetime of your home. Number two is maybe you're feeling like that cold air coming in, or you're standing outside on your patio and you're feeling the cold air coming out. You do not want to air condition the outside. Texas, it's very hot. So if you're feeling that either way, that's probably a good indication. And then some people see windows that are like foggy and they're like, oh, that means the seals have been warped. The window, the whole window needs to come out, be replaced with something that is going to last for a very long time.
I know a lot of parents have just thought to themselves, I'm not paying to air condition the whole neighborhood, right? Which means it might be time for new windows. Okay. All right, Judy, let's talk about why you chose Expo Home Improvement, because you had a really positive experience.
Absolutely, it was a very positive experience, soup to nuts. And I have to piggyback on something Amanda just said, and that is, I started with my main bedroom windows because mine had separated and there was that fog all over.
Yeah.
So I knew I needed new ones.
That's right.
Well, I knew I needed the center one for sure. So I decided I would do all three. And I went to the farmer's market where there was a booth. I met Tara. She was wonderful, professional, courteous, kind, full of information. And she gave me a ton of homework to do and made an appointment for them to come out and measure. So I came home and I did all of my due diligence, read everything, went online, looked at the site, did all of that, and then felt very comfortable with the appointment, and then just moved forward from there.
Yeah, smooth transition. I should say we've also had Tara on the show before, so we've got lots of stars being brought back up today. I want to hear from you, Judy, if I can, about the sort of benefits that you've seen once you've had your windows replaced.
Absolutely. Benefits from day one, from the moment they installed them. First, that transference of air from the outside, whether it's hot, which we have a lot of, or whether it's cold, which now we've been having a lot of. When you're close to the window, you don't feel that, which is nice.
Yeah.
I monitor my electric bill and have always, as long as I've owned my home. And my electric bill went down. Also, they're very easy to open. And I like the fact that there's that little lock that you can set the lock and then open the window and it only opens to there. So no matter what, it's not going up or down any more than that lock will allow it to go.
And Judy, I hear that there was good news as well on the sound front, right?
Absolutely. It adds a certain amount of sound insulation. You don't hear as much of what's going on outside. It makes the home quieter, more of a zen moment, which we love. And another thing I'd like to add is they are made in the USA, and that was tantamount to my decision.
Judy, you were a customer. You got your primary bedroom windows replaced, and then you got some really good news, which I think is so fun to talk about. So tell me what happened.
So they had a contest. They had a drawing, and you could submit your name, and it was $10,000 in windows. And I thought, at first I even let it set for a while on the email. And then I thought, why not? I mean, either I'm gonna win it or I'm not. And when they called me to say, it's hard for me to say it and not get too excited about it because I was exuberant. I couldn't sleep for 3 days. And so I did win the $10,000 worth of windows, a blessing, and they replaced the windows in my living area as well as the patio sliding glass door. And I have to say, with all sincerity, that I was glad that I made the initial decision, and I am grateful and thankful for everything that's happened since then, because all of these windows across the back of my house that gets the full afternoon sun have been a blessing and a joy and such a wonderful improvement to my home.
Oh, Amanda, how does it feel to hear that? I mean, she's bragging on you.
I know, it makes me feel so good. It was the most wonderful thing to call Judy and tell her she won. I have never heard someone so excited in my life. I loved it.
Exuberant was a term used, which is wonderful, Judy. Well, you, after, you had your windows done, you thought, I like this so much, I'm going to tell my friends about it. So you actually have a neighbor who went out and called Expo Home Improvement.
Absolutely, and they came and looked at everything, and they are as nitpicky and as critical as I am.
Which is saying something, huh?
Yes, I have to be honest. And they loved everything that they saw, and afterwards, they had their entire house, all the windows in their entire house replaced, and their house is about twice the size as mine. And they love them. They're so happy with them. They don't even have anything on their windows. They're so happy with them. They don't want to put any kind of window treatment on them.
If we're converting house by house.
That is our goal.
So with your customer service experience, can you just talk to me a little bit about, if somebody's on the fence, they're not sure if they should go ahead and invest in their windows, that sort of thing. What would you say to them about Expo Home Improvement?
Well, I would say, first of all, consider the company and the quality that they are, because they are a company of quality. They stand behind what they do, and they are with you. Everybody that came out knew their jobs, knew what they were supposed to do, checked on each other, really worked as a team.
Wonderful. Quality communication between the team, quality communication with the customer. It's all good stuff, I'm hearing, Amanda. And not only that, we have the opportunity for a new sweepstakes winner or two, right? We have a couple different options.
That's right. We're actually right in the middle of another worn out window sweepstakes. You can win up to $15,000 this time around for brand new windows in your home. And we also have a Love Your Shower sweepstakes, up to $15,000 towards a brand new bathroom or shower for you. So you need to enter. It is truly true. People do win.
I'll enter again. Send me the email.
I know. There you go. So enter today, and you can do that right on our website, expohomeimprovement.com.
Sounds really good to me. Y'all, thank you so much for spending the time with me today. I appreciate it. Enter the sweepstakes today and schedule a consultation for your home's windows or baths at expohomeimprovement.com. This segment is sponsored by Expo Home Improvement.